Hi all, welcome to JS Crafters World. In this video, we'll be seeing a stud using pearl beads. So checking with the materials required, 6 mm glass pearls, 2 mm golden string, you can also use 3 mm golden string, and then I have taken nylon wire, you can also use beading wire, stud base of 10 mm size, and then you'll need a cutter. Now starting with making of the pearl beaded stud. So for this, take nylon wire of about 15 cm to 20 cm. Then start inserting the pearl beads and golden beads to it in alternative pattern. That is, first insert one pearl bead and then a golden bead. Like this, 4 pearl beads and 4 golden beads we have to insert. So once it is done, next we have to insert the nylon wire into the first pearl bead, that is like reinserting it back so that it will form a loop type, and then pull both the nylon wires. Once the loop is formed, then insert golden bead into both the nylon wire ends and then pearl bead to only one end. Then you have to insert the nylon wire which doesn't have a pearl bead into the pearl bead and then take it out so that the pearl bead sits on top of the loop that we have already formed. Now insert 2 golden beads, that is 1 bead on each nylon wire, and then take it back to the bead opposite to the pearl bead and then pull both the wires. Now take a flower base stud of 10 mm or 13 mm size and then insert the wires in the flower base stud. And then take any one wire over the pearl bead and then you have to reinsert it into any one hole in the flower base. And then pull the wire. Similarly, you have to wrap the wire around the beaded base you have already made so that it sits tight on the flower base. Once the overlapping pattern of the wires is done over the beads, next you'll be getting both the wires in the nearby positions in the flower stud base. Now you can tie the wires together. You can put 2 to 3 knots and then cut both the extra wires. In the similar pattern, repeat it for other set of earrings. So that's the final look of the pearl beaded stud. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. For regular updates, press the bell icon. Thank you again for watching the video. Follow us on Insta and Facebook.